Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to scrap the tables in the web results to an Excel sheet. So to do that, first I'll open up my Chrome browser and I'll search for list of countries. Okay, so here I have a list of countries in the world. So I need to get all this to an Excel sheet. So let's see how to do that. So for this, I'll be using an add-on called Instant Data Scrapper. This is the tool, Instant Data Scrapper. So just click on the Chrome extension web page, and right here now you can see remove from Chrome because it's already installed in my computer. So if it's not installed, you will see a button called Add to Chrome. Just click on Add to Chrome and you are good to go. Once you install the add-on, so come back to the tables page and just hit on the extension icon. So it will automatically grab the tables in the web sheet and it will show you the result within this dialog box. You can see all the results here and just hit on download Excel or CSV, whatever format you want. So now I'll hit on Excel. Okay, a file is downloaded. I'll just open that file to see the final result. Okay, this is just a compatibility issue. Just click S and you're good to go. Yes, friends, so you can see all the whatever we needed. The web results is in Excel sheet. Just you need to change the headings and rest everything we have whatever we wanted. The serial number, country names, population, the link, and what is this? I'm not sure. Let's check the land area and density. So guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. So for more such videos, follow revisualization. Thank you.